With limited space and a multitude of products, organizing under the bathroom sink can be tricky. Here are 3 ways to organize your space. The first order of business is to remove your items and assess everything you have. Editing down everything you have will help you figure out what can go where. With this blueprint, shop within your budget for storage solutions that make your life easier. Drawer organizers are a great way to maximize organization in a small space. Arranging by category helps you find items when you're crunched for time. Categories can include makeup, hair products and accessories, skincare products, dental products like extra toothbrushes and toothpaste, grooming products like shaving cream and razors, as well as first aid and medicine. The first storage solution is stacking drawers. By using modular drawers with clear labels, you will know exactly what is in every container. These pull-out drawers are an easy way to keep your space organized. The second solution is what we like to call spin and stack. Using an open container that spins, like a Lazy Susan, you're able to see and access everything you need. This turn-it organizer is from the Container Store, and others like it are available at various retailers. Clear shoeboxes are a super easy solution to all of your organizing needs. The third solution is a very straightforward approach of open containment. By utilizing stackable storage bins, you're able to quickly access your belongings. These 3 organizing solutions are perfect for any problem you might have when it comes to storage under the bathroom sink. Good luck, and remember, you can never be too organized.